Hey, hi. One wonderful solution for this heat and summers are these beautiful suits that you can see right here. I'm wearing one such color of it. This is our softest premium Chandeli fabric with this very delicate but very beautiful, flower design, Sona Rupa, hand embroidery dupatta along with it. It's a one full complete look. और मैं इसके color options आपको दिखाने वाली हूँ. Now, of course, you can take it separately, the dupatta and the fabric. But what you can also do is you can customize this look in any color. So from the shade card, suppose you pick up a shade of, say a pink or even a red, it can be done. So that's the beauty. But as it is, we have a wonderful palette for this season which I'm going to show you, and you can see it right here. And if you're going to go for 5 meters of this fabric, ultra soft fabric, top and bottom, and this dupatta is going to come about 20,000 something. So a great piece to have in your wardrobe. Now look at how vibrant this color is. I absolutely love it. Pura iski beauty dikhti hai. The dupatta really nice. You can see the flow, how it moves. Just that touch of pearl, I think it makes all the difference in enhancing the beauty of this look. Now look at these. Really nice color for all season, but हमने इस season के लिए, especially given the heat, we have done a special palette. Because if you want to wear a pink, you want to wear something which is soft and nice, really good, wherever you are in whichever corner of the world, what a wonderful color to be wearing this summers. So go for it. The silhouette that I'm wearing, of course, will take about 8 or so meter plus, depending on the size too. So इस silhouette में आपको कपड़ा ज़्यादा लगेगा. The fabric separately 980 per meter. So yes, you say यार, and I know many of you have done that. You say मुझे जितने colors हैं उसमें ये कपड़ा दे दो, I will go for it. I know so many of you have done that already. But if you haven't had a chance to buy this fabric, you must. Very good for your full look. मेरा bottom भी इसी कपड़े का है, and you can see lining is a must. You must use it, and you can take the fabrics by the meter as much as you want in any colors. Apart from that, this dupatta is 15,800, and these are really nice. सबसे पहले तो as sets itself, because उसमें सबसे ये फायदा होता है तुरंत आप देखते हैं and आप पहन पाते हैं in the heat. Now this is such a nice forest green color. You can see कि dark colors में इसका जो effect है जरी का, it really comes well. Enjoy the flow, enjoy the beauty of this. Next दो जो है मेरे पास सिर्फ दुपट्टे, I don't have the fabric ready, but to just show you that किसी भी color में ये बनाए जा सकते हैं. Now this particular piece, if you see, it has two colors of zari. Apart from that, it is also such a neutral and nice, a light brown color. So you can be wearing it with some other outfit as well. And the very last one is this wonderful shade of blue. You can go for a contrast suit with the one that I'm wearing. You can go for a blue combination. So take your pick now.